So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and select Widgets from it. Now here we have all the widgets, including sidebar, footer widgets, above footer, full width, homepage widget area, homepage full width area, footer widgets, etc. We can drag and drop categories from here to add or remove it. Now go to your site and refresh it. So here at bottom, we can see Meta tab. Back on widget page, let's remove Meta from here. Back on site, refresh it, and your site will be updated. Now, back on widgets, let's add calendar over here, insert your title and done. Or you can also delete it. So this is how the widgets work in WordPress. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to chapter 38. Site menu overview. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at site menu, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.